ano siya liwat. Decrease in oxygen content in the blood produces bluish color of the skin. Ginamba ko na bluish color of the skin. Kaya nga ibalik naton. Decrease in oxygen. Okay, decrease in oxygen. A decrease in blood flow as occurs in shock can make the skin appear pale. Oh, ginamba ko, di ba? Pale gina. Ano ang pale? Balde, hindi guys, ang pale, P-A-L-E guys, is nagapang lapsi. Okay, so kung magamit kita, nagalapsi, naga-blue, we will call it cyanosis. Okay? Next, carotene. This is just a yellow pigment found in plants such as squash, carrots. It is a lipid soluble when consumed. It accumulates in the lipids of the stratum corneum and adipocytes of the dermis and subcute. Location, pigments other cells skin affects color produced, bluish color, sa tattoos, sa lagob, and some superficial blood vessels can cause variation of dark pigment dermis. Okay. Sub-Q, guys, maganda sub-Q, ano na, 'di ba route na siya kung maghatag kita sang meds, 'di ba? Sub-Q, may IM, IV, sub-Q guys. Pag sub-Q kita, 'di ba ginakusi na. Di, ano no term? Ginakusi. Basta ginakusi mo na siya kay para malabot mo to ang sub-Q. Ya kay kung hindi po kasi unti mas Q lang na. Okay, muscular yung na. So, muscular or IM, intramuscular. So, ginakusi naton para malabot ang sub-Q, ang fats. Okay, hindi nga ginakusi naton ng patient bangod nga trip naton. Guys, ginakusi na siya malabot, para malabot ang sub-Q kung amo nang order ni doc. Okay, the subcutaneous tissue is not part of the skin. Tandaan, it is not part of the skin. Kaya nga, tissue na siya. Gani, aram nakabutang. It is sometimes called hypodermis. Although may dermis man siya nga word, but not necessarily nga skin siya. Base, kay hypodermis, magamit hypo, saka, or naog, or babaw, or dalom, or up, or down. Hypo, guys, down. Ang hyper, saka na. Okay, hyper, para kay Sir Josh. Okay, hypo, para kay Manunggard. Chat, Manunggard. Manunggard kong gabi. Opo, kaya di ba natuyo siya. Okay, uy, basta isugid nyo ko guys sa Migway, gabi manunggard. Okay, it is loose connective tissue, including adipose tissue that contains about half the body's stored lipids. Okay, namba ko ng lipids. Anong lipids? Ilimnon. Hindi. Lapad na ya, guys. Okay, lipids is just fats. Okay? The amount and location vary with age, sex, and diet. Okay? Age, sex, sana all, and diet, guys. So, depende ang sub-Q sa imo edad, sa sex mo, sa ano ha, gender ni ha, and diet, of course. Kung dako-dako siya, damo siya subcutaneous or lipids or fats. Okay, adipose tissue in the subcutaneous tissue functions as padding and insulation. Okay, padding and insulation. Okay, sa mga maka ano ni karon kay ito syempre i-upload siya dugay-dugay ito usually makita niyo kung naga-dinner ka mo ti eat well lang eh. Okay. Adipose tissue in the subcutaneous tissue functions as a padding insulation, responsible for all differences appearance between men and women as well as between individuals of the same sex. Next. Kaya pa. Kaya nyo na guys. Okay lang na nga nabudlayan ka mo subong. Te syempre kay damo-damo gid man mo like information over. Pero okay naman na kung budlay subong. At least sa sunod mas budlay pa gid. Diba? Amo ganyan. Yung pate, yung sunod yun kag. Charot. Okay, accessory skin structures. Guys, normal lang na ang budlay. So, okay, maba ako budlay. Okay, sir, budlay ka sa una. Ay, sobra eh. Kapin pa nga tamad-tamad si sir nyo. Okay, this includes hair, glands, and nails. Accessory skin structures, accessory lang. Okay, nga accessory tawag ati accessory, 'di ba? Magbutang ka mo sang ano sa buhok nyo, sa inyong mga kuko, accessory man na gyapon, okay? Hair is produced in the hair bulb which rests in the hair papilla. Are, kita lang. Be familiar with that. And sa exam is magwa ang nail, parts of nails. Okay? Parts of nails. Kung nakalabot ka di, kag wala ka na board sa akon nga explanation, might be nga may answer kaya kiginsugid ko na mo nga magwa ang parts of nails. Ara siya sa dalom later. Okay? Hair is produced in cycles. Ari tandaan ng cycles. Keratinization. Amo ni ginamba ko gina. Ang keratin na ginabakal naton sa grocery. Di ba? Gina-advertise na keratinization. Glands. Major glands in the skin are sebaceous and sweat glands. Sebaceous glands are simple, branched acinar glands. The sebum is released by holocrine secretion and lubricates the hair and the surface of the screen, okay, which prevents drying and protects against bacteria. Sorry. So, ari na ang duwa, si eccrine and apocrine. Uy, fracture na agad. Okay. Sige guys, na ako nagina, kung mag-blue, di ba, cyanosis? Kung mag-yellow, that's your jaundice. Tandaan na, mag-yellow, jaundice. Tandaan na, magwa sa exam. Okay, simple coiled tubular glands are released sweat by merocrine section. Okay. Produced when the body temperature starts to rise above normal levels, which evaporates and cools the body. Release in the palms, soles, armpits, and other places because of emotional stress. Ang kinala, ini eccrine kag ni apocrine. Si apocrine guys are active at puberty. Okay, tandaan, apocrine, basta may po, puberty. Okay, apocrine, puberty. Tandaan, si apocrine, puberty. Si eccrine niya guys, puberty, hindi. Hindi. Kaya ang puberty ara na kay apocrine, letter B. Apocrine, puberty. Active at puberty because of the influence of sex hormones. Okay, the organic secretion, which is essentially odorless when released. Okay, is quickly broken down by bacteria into substances responsible for what is commonly known as body odor. Okay, apocrine. Tandaan nyo na lang mga apo mga apo na, for example, mga bago apo na ni lolo na, mga bawo na sila. Charat, body odor. Apocrine, body odor. Eccrine is released in the palms, soles, armpits, and other places because of emotional stress. So, eccrine glands na siya gali mga sa palms. Kay may mga kilala kita nga do sweaty gid sila guys nga nakabasa gid nila kamo. So may mga sweaty ang mga students halong kamote of course kay basi mag board exam, mabasa ang papel, something like that kay syempre nakulbaan kamo. So naga-release gid ng eccrine nga glands sang lasang sweats. So halong lang. Next is nails. Anong nails? Magama kita nails. Ano ang nails? That's your lansang. Okay? Hindi guys. Ang nails is kuko. Okay? The nail is a thin plate consisting of layers of dense stratum corneum cells that contain a very hard type of keratin. Okay? So, keratin ni siya. Are guys, magwa ni siya. Read lang. Magwa ni siya. Are, parts of the nails. Physiology of the integumentary system, protection, sensation, vitamin D production, temperature regulation, and secretion. Guys, nagyan natin gin-explain ko na ni protection, of course. Intact skin plays an important role in reducing water loss. Skin prevents microorganism. Hair provides protection in several ways. Hair on the head acts as a heat insulator. So heat insulator ang hair sa ulo. So, mga kalbo, sir, wala insulator, ilo ulo. Ilan na yung problema guys. Eyebrows keep sweat out of the eyes. Of course, kung mabalahas kita, di ba, ang eyebrows naton, hindi siya magdiretso sa mata. Eyelashes protect the eyes from foreign objects, of course. Hair in the nose, amoy nga nang ba nato ng hair in the nose, ano na gani? Cilia. Di ba na-mention natin sa una, sa module 3, ang cilia, do buhok-buhok guys, sang cell. Ang dire sa hair in the nose, that's also called your cilia. Okay, bok-bok. Basing cilia nyo, yung bangko, depende sa inyo. Hair in the nose and ears prevents the entry of dust and other materials. The nails protect the ends of the fingers and toes from damage and can be used in defense. Okay? Sensation, na, pain, heat, cold, and pressure, ma-sense ni skin. Vitamin D production, naman ang ginambako gina. When the skin is exposed to ultraviolet light or sunlight, a precursor molecule of vitamin D is formed. The precursor is carried by the blood to the liver where it is modified and the kidneys where the precursor is modified to form active vitamin D. So vitamin D nagabulig absorb sang calcium pakadto sa bone, liwat-liwat lang. Nursing, liwat-liwat lang. Okay, best source ng vitamin D guys. Okay, so kung face to face ni masabat ka mo sunlight, of course, kailan sa una sunlight, ginaya vitamin D. Pero it is the food. Okay, may mga vitamin D sa food. So best source is food. Kaso kay sang gamay kita guys, hindi pa kita pwede sang damo-damo nga food. So ang best source sang gamay kita is the sunlight. Okay? So hindi nga ba kung may mga bata, uy, ang bali Sir Josh, vitamin D kuno nga best source. Food kuno. Tay pa kanon mo to bata, vitamin D, lapsag. Doon muna bla. So, vitamin D is sa sunlight lang usually kay sa bata. So, temperature regulation kay for example, init, 'di ba na example na naton kay bangod nga init, obrahon da ni control center mapagwa siya kay efferent nerves sang reaction kaya ang balisang stimuli is mainit. So, kung mainit, pagwa siya sang sweat para ma-regulate ang temperature. Na lang. Secretion, mamagyapon, sweat. Okay. Integumentary system, diagnostic age, read lang ni guys through assessing color, we can identify. Cyanosis, guys, ari bluish. Guys, aring yellow, skin color, jaundice, magwa na siya. Tandaan nyo. Nga aga jaundice, raw kung sabat nga, so, ambal nila kung mag-yellow. Um, tawag ni. Kung mag-yellow, sir, masamangkot ka natin, mag-yellow, ano tawag da? Kung blue is cyanosis, kung mag-yellow, sabat nila, hepatitis. Gwapo. Pero hindi ko man sila mabasa. Kaya which is true man, hepatitis. Kaya di ba kung blue is cyanosis, yellow hepatitis. Guys, kung may hepa, kamo di ba yellow, good man ka mo. I don't know why kuya kagi yellow. Okay? Pero di ba kung may mga patient nga naga-yellow, hepatitis, di ba? Pero guys, tawag na kung mag-yellow, it's jaundice. Kung may sakit, hepatitis eh. Yung, di ba hepatitis, igo, yagyapon, ang bile, ang liver. Okay? Ito, amo na. Next, burns. Makita ka burns. Sunog. Burns, injury to tissue caused by heat, cold, friction, chemicals, electricity, and radiation. Guys, may cold na kabuta. Nga, huwag kasunog ka sa sobra kalamig, sir. Of course. Gaka-burn ka sa sobra kalamig. For example, di ba, gaka-init ka. Ga-init ka kung ga-cold na siya simo. Charot! Pero amo na siya, kung tama man ka-cold, may init. Makabatsyag ka man sang burn. Oh, sa tatlo nga ni. First degree, second degree, and third degree burn. Di ang pinakasakit. Ang bayaan ka. Charot, anong pinakasakit? Ang hindi ka mo compatible. Charot, anong pinakasakit? Ang first degree. Okay, usually ginasabat nila third degree. Sir, third degree na sir. Wala na ganyan ang epidermis, ang dermis, labot na, ikitao ng tissue, muscles, etc. Guys, wala na gawa nerve endings. Okay, or neurons nga nagabatsyag sang sensation. Sa first degree, guys, dila ang grabe ang nerve endings. Tira na yung sakit-sakit. Yun. Diba? Appear red and painful, presence of slight edema or swelling. So, edema, gahabok na or nagaswell na or may tumor. Tumor, hindi yan nga tumor nga may cancer. Ha? Tumor, meaning sang swelling is tumor. Di ba na-mention ko gina, kung naga-red, nga naga-color red is rubor, kung may pain is dolor. Okay, so ako na siya. Second degree, damage to the epidermis and part of dermis. Guys, kung first degree, epidermis lang. Okay, liwat. Kung first degree, epidermis lang. Meaning, ang surface or superficial lang sa skin ang nasunog. Okay? Kung second degree, labuot na siya sa dermis. Dermis nga, letter D, dalom na. Okay, epidermis, ang sa dalom ni epidermis, si dermis, si dalom na. Okay, so dalom na siya. If dermal damage is minimal, symptoms include redness, pain, edema, and blisters. Blisters, gabukal-bukal, gabukol-bukol. Ano tawag na bla? Basta, ngayon ko kagi sunog na nagbukal. Ay, kagi ko. Oh. Okay, healing takes about 2 weeks and no scarring results. Third degree. Ari na. Guys, tandaan, si partial, ang duwa lang niya, si first kag si second. Full thickness na kita. Full thickness, si third degree na siya. Okay, si full thickness, ano nakabutang? Destroy the epidermis and the dermis and sometimes deeper tissue. Mas dalom na, guys. Okay, kung mas dalom na, budlay namang painless due to destroyed sensory nerves and skin. Okay, appear white, tan, brown, black, or deep cherry red. Long time to heal, may need skin graft. Okay, need skin graft. Next, effects of aging. Ay, tapos ito guys, very good. Effects of aging and integumentary. Kaya ko magaling mag-story sa kagalingon kung ako lang isa, no? Ay, naidlaw na ko sa inyo. Okay. Effects of aging on the integumentary system. As our age increases, there are changes happening in the integumentary system like production of collagen, slow repair process, etc. Okay. Next topic. Bye.